Yat Ebene, good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, it's snowing. To say that in Navajo, you would say, Ńchííl, Ńchííl, it's snowing, and that means like right now. Ńchííl. To say it's snowing outside, you would say, Tlote, Ńchííl, Tlote, Ńchííl. Now, Ńchííl means it started to snow or it snowed. Ńchííl, it's past tense. To say it started to snow on the mountain, you would say Ńchííl, Ńchííl, Ńchííl. To say it snowed last night, you would say Ńchííl, Ńchííl. Now, Ńchííl is the future tense. It means it will snow. Ńchííl. To say it will snow after midnight, you would say Ńchííl. Ńchííl. Now, Yidzaz is past tense. It means it snowed, kind of like Ńchííl. But Yidzaz is kind of like an accumulation of snow, 2 to 3 inches or more of snow. Yidzaz. To say it snowed about 1 foot, you would say T'ahla'a ades is Bigako Yidzaz. T'ahla'a ades is Bigako Yidzaz. Now, Dodzas means it will snow. Future tense, kind of like Ńchííl, but like an accumulation of snow. Dodzas. To say it's going to snow tonight, you'll say Ditle Dodzas. Ditle Dodzas. Now, Yas and Zas are ways to say snow, depending on what part of the reservation you're from. You can also say Ńchííl for snow, but that's in specific contexts. And the only context that I can think of is the Navajo word for Buffalo Pass. Ńchííl Dundijithe. Ńchííl Dundijithe. And that describes snow that packs up in a way where it blocks off the road. Ńchííl Dundijithe. And that is today's Navajo word of the day. Ńchííl, it's snowing. Have a nice day. Aro Ya'at Keshmish.